Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to stop or prevent Facebook from tracking your location on your phone. So assuming you're using the iOS or Android app, this tutorial will cover you, and hopefully it'll be a pretty straightforward process. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up the Facebook app and select your profile icon in the top right corner. And you want to go down underneath Settings and Privacy and select that. Underneath Settings and Privacy, select the Settings button. And now you want to go underneath Audience and Visibility and actually keep going underneath your activity. Select Device Permissions and locate where it says Location. Select See Info and you would turn it off and you would select Never. If it says while using, that's an option you really don't have control over, but you can go underneath Update Settings and then open Device Settings and turn it off directly from within your phone. So if you have location turned on, you can toggle it off in here, and that's all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.